do you want to create text effects like this?
Well, I thought I'd become one, didn't I?
So let's go into After Effects. First, add a text layer. For this part, use the Hightower italic font. Adjust the text size. Enable stroke for the text and set its value to 2 or 3. Now, add the second text. For its font, you can use Franklin Gothic Heavy like I did. Align both texts so that they're centered in the composition. Remove any extra elements. Next, select both layers and create a pre-comp. Create an adjustment layer and add the S texture loops effect to it. Adjust the settings as I did. For animation, add the fade up words effect to both text layers. Press U and adjust the keyframes. Now it's time to animate the tracking for both texts. Go to Animate and choose Line Anchor and Tracking. Duplicate the bottom text layer using Ctrl D and place it above the adjustment layer. Disable its fill and keep only the stroke. Create another adjustment layer above all layers and add the deep glow and drop shadow effects. Adjust the settings as I did. Finally, you can add a simple ending animation by keyframing the opacity. Thanks for watching.